11 ways to make money while you sleep. The money you make while you are sleeping can be defined as passive income. And if you want to become wealthy, you have to start making money even when you are asleep. A popular quote by Warren Buffett is, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Also, according to T. Harv Eker, an American author, you can become financially free when your passive income exceeds your expenses. One secret of wealthy people is that they minimize expenses while they increase their earning potential. However, we all know that this isn't one of the easiest things to do, except you know the secret of making money while you are asleep. Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman and author of one-time best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, said, and I quote, "My rich dad taught me to focus on passive income and spending my time acquiring the assets that provide passive or long-term residual income. Passive income from capital gains, dividends, residual income from business, rental income from real estate, and royalties." In this video, I'll share with you 11 ways to make money while you sleep. This, I believe, will help you become a successful person. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this. 1. Buy stocks that pay dividend. When you are a shareholder in a successful company, you'll get paid dividends, usually earned quarterly. A dividend is a payment made by a corporation to its shareholders. It could either be stocks or mutual funds. However, be sure to do proper research before investing in any company and becoming a part of their shareholders. Otherwise, if the company fails, your money goes down with it. 2. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is a long-term passive income investment. When you acquire property in real estate, you'll make money as the value of the property increases, but you'll only see that money once you sell the property. So, if you need quick cash flow, real estate might not be your best investment option. However, if you are patient enough, you'll make an appreciable amount of money at the end of the day. 3. Rent out property. This is a part of real estate investment that can increase your monthly or yearly cash flow, depending on your terms and agreements. You can rent out your property for either residential or commercial purposes. If you do not have a huge property to rent out, you can consider renting out a room in your house or office space. Whatever you decide to rent out, ensure you do a thorough research or analysis of who you want to rent your property out to, so that you don't end up working with fraudulent people. 4. Write and publish a book. Writing a book and publishing it is another good way to earn some money, because you'd only need to write once and then make several copies of the book and put it up for sale in as many locations and as many ways possible. You can even put it up on popular sites for more visibility and higher chances of sales. To make money through this, ensure that what you've written is of good quality, and you'll be surprised at how much money you will make doing this. For instance, the 50 Shades of Grey trilogy earned her $95 million just in 2013. 5. Start a drop-shipping website. By 2021, it is expected that 2.14 billion people will be shopping online, and that will be the highest number ever. I think this should give you more than enough reason to consider starting your e-commerce store now, dropshipping particularly. Here's the thing with dropshipping. You don't have to source and store inventory. All you have to do is build a website. Contact certain manufacturers so that you can add products to your website that come from them. When a person purchases that product, it ships from the manufacturer to the person, not you. You pay for the product, but earn more than the sales price. Once your site is built and marketed properly, you can start making money while you sleep. 6. Create an online course. If you think that you are an expert in a field, why not consider sharing your knowledge with people who are interested in building a career in that field? When it comes to creating online courses, be sure that whatever information you're giving out is valuable and will be helpful to people who enroll for your course. Your course materials should offer some genuine real-world help. As in writing a book, writing the course materials is all that is needed. And of course, you only need to write it once and then make several copies to distribute to your students or audience in this case. 7. Consider a vending machine business. A vending machine business requires almost no effort. However, for you to be successful, you need to place your vending machines in the right spot and stock them with what customers in that area would want. Once you have done this, you can go to sleep knowing that you are making money until it is time to restock. 8. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is another great way to make money if you know how best to create your contents. YouTube is a video channel that allows people to create and upload videos, ranging from entertainment purposes to DIYs. When you make fascinating videos, people will be attracted to your channel. When you have successfully built a huge following, you can begin to make money via ad revenue, sponsorship, or even creating your products. 9. Open a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is one that pays higher interest than your regular savings account or checking account as well. With this account, you can make more money for every penny you invest while you go to sleep. 10. Create a product to sell. One of the best parts of selling your product is that you are in complete control of it. From the creation, marketing, and selling processes, you are your boss here. However, in creating a product to sell, make sure you make something valuable to people. Otherwise, you'll end up wasting money incurred in production. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a dropship website, marketing is made easy for you because you can use any of these platforms, especially if you've successfully built a good following. But if not, you can pay to have it marketed on a popular platform in order to drive in sales. 11. Hire a middleman. This is like letting someone else run the day-to-day affairs of your business while you make money driving sales or customers to the business. For instance, if you are a pet watcher or trainer, you can pay someone else to do the job while you focus on bringing in more sales or customers. There you go. Making money while you sleep is one of the secrets of wealthy people. But to make this happen, you must be ready to think outside the box. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We'll like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.